Hey, what's up, Granger? Here in the Ballymore and Triarch booth. Hey, Steve, how's it going?
Good, James.
How's the show been for you so far today?
It's been great. It's been great. We've had great engagement, great conversations. We're excited to be here and partner with Granger.
Excellent. Steve, you're going to cover some of your new products as well as some existing products.
Yep.
So why don't you walk us through it?
Well, we have limited space, but we are trying to show everything that we possibly can. We do have a lot of new and exciting products that are coming out in 2025, but a lot of new things that have happened in 2024. So Ballymore is continuing to grow. We're continuing to strengthen and entrench our ways to figure out how we can best partner with Granger. So we've added more solutions, more products, and again, our name is rebranded to Ballymore Safety Products, and we are safety solution specialists. So we have consulting effort from the safety side of the business. We've got representation, certified safety professionals working with Granger's safety team, and then we've got exciting new products. So some of the new products we do have here, some are not, again, with space, we can't show everything.
Yeah.
But we're excited to launch the Vertical Mast Lift with a jib. It's a boom lift with 30 feet platform height. So elevation of about a 36-foot working height. What's unique and nice about this lift is that it's a vertical mast, but it has 345-degree rotation on the turret. The jib has the capability to then go and have the operator work over maybe an obstruction.
Okay.
So it has a 130-degree jib rotation vertical. And then again, it's a small footprint. So you can see we could fit it here, but it's the uses for this is industrial, warehousing, maintenance, small construction jobs, government, you name it. So most of the stuff here fits most of the categories that Granger fulfills.
Let's talk about the hybrid ladder, because all the district team calls I've been doing, everybody is very excited about your hybrid ladders. So
we brought the fixed, smallest version of the hybrid ladder that we can. The reason why we call it hybrid is it's got an aluminum stair section and steel components everywhere else. It's the most maneuverable, lightweight ladder on the market because of the aluminum stair section. So it's got 360-degree, all maneuverability, rotation. We've got a raised base, so it's got even more versatile application. Our lift assist lock step. So you can't bypass the lock step. As soon as you apply weight, the ladder sets down to the ground. So this is our fixed version. We're doing a really, really good job of selling the fixed version of the ladder. We offer that in 16-inch and 24-inch, and then up to from 6-step, which you see here, all the way up to 12-step. It's perforated tread. It's got a 14-inch deep top step. Again, it's the most versatile, maneuverable, and lightweight ladder on the market. And the reason why we came up with the hybrid ladder is because as James, I'm sure you talked about, but biggest problem with rolling ladders is they're in the way.
Take up a lot of space.
Take up a lot of space. What are you going to do when you're not using them? So we came up and innovated a docking station. The docking station we don't have here. It's rather big. Well, not really that big, but it's hard to operate in a constrained space like this. But it mounts to a wall, and essentially, not going into a lot of detail, is that you can set a 7 to a 12-step version of this ladder, and it folds up against the wall and hangs 17 inches off the wall once it's fully stowed. So you're taking a big 9 or 12-step ladder, and you're removing it from freeing up floor space and putting it up away against the wall when you're not using it. So that's kind of a brief overview of the hybrid. And we've got all of our hybrid ladders are in the Red Book.
Yep.
The docking station is in the Red Book. Successful win, we did sell a docking station and a folding ladder through Granger to Legoland. So just thank you, Granger. And we want to see more of that. So any way we can help educate and support and get the word out about our docking station and foldable ladder. When people see it, people say, wow, never seen anything like it. Yes, we could use it. And now it's just kind of that education piece on having the customer understand what it is. And we're here to partner with you and want to do that sales call with you. So
yeah, very cool, innovative new product from Ballymore. Now, speaking of cool new products, you have this new Proline series of rolling ladders. Why don't you talk about some of the features of it?
It's a heavy-duty 1,000-pound capacity ladder. You've got 10-inch large steps, and we offer this as a 6-step. We offer this from 6 to 12-step, perforated grip or serrated, heavy-duty serrated grip. Light enough to move around, but it's a pretty heavy-duty ladder. What's nice about it is that our lift assist lock step, again, when it locks, because there's gas shocks in the lock step, it's because of the weight of this ladder, you can still pick it up very easily with little exertion. So any operator from any demographic or size or can easily maneuver this ladder. So
Okay.
So anyways, we got up here featuring the enclosed gate. It's a swing gate. So the operator just opens it and they're on springs, so they close. So now you got your fully enclosed workspace there. We've got this, again, 6 through 12 step, relatively nice price point versus what's out there on the market today. So we're excited to launch the Proline series.
Excellent. And that'll be coming to Grainger soon?
Yes, we're working on getting it added as we speak, so it'll be hopefully live soon with red SKUs as well. But that's sourcing in production, and we can provide it now.
Awesome. Tell us a little bit about these lift tables, some features that they have.
Lift Products Inc. is the company that we acquired in 2024. So they've been in business, they're well established, they're a known brand. So Ballymore, with the partnership of LPI, again, they manufacture in the United States. We're in Wisconsin, and Ballymore is now branding these to be Ballymore. We're adding items, but we have a full line of tilters, upenders. This is our Roto-Max with rotation table, different capacities from 1,000 to 12,000 pound capacity. We can do pit mounted, in ground. I mean, you name it. So there's a wide variety of lift tables.
Now, what types of customers would be interested in lift tables?
Well, you got manufacturing, you got anything in the manufacturing sector.
Okay.
Workstations, people, maybe if the conveyor lines, palletizing, shipping, receiving.
Okay.
So there's a lot of different applications. And again, we've got the standard kind of items that we picked. Our heavy sellers are going to be available immediately for Grainger.
Okay.
Wide capacity and full variety of different products through our lift tables capabilities that we can offer. So we're excited to launch this. It's a good market. There's a lot of opportunities and a lot of need for these tables in all sorts of different applications. I probably can't cover them all just because I'm new to a little bit to the
it's only been about a year.
But there's a lot of opportunity and ways that we can help Grainger grow in this area. So
Excellent. And lastly, I know it's a lot. I know this is going to be probably one of our longest videos, but Tri-Arc Manufacturing. You acquired Tri-Arc back in 2021.
Yep.
And they do similar products, stock picking ladders, rolling ladders, but you also have U-Design, which we have in the back here. Talk a little bit about some cool features of Tri-Arc, whether it be their rolling ladders or U-Design.
Yeah, so what the nice thing about with Tri-Arc, we have the Tri-Arc brand still that we're selling. Everything that they used to sell is still available. So when the customer has to replace a Tri-Arc ladder it has in the field, they know how to get that ladder. We've got full custom capabilities, so we call it our EAS division, our Engineered Access Systems division.
Yeah.
We've got a team of inside sales engineers. We've got an outside sales engineer who can go out and run tape on job sites, but you're talking about anything that's not standardized that people need to get elevated, maybe modular platforms, or U-Design products such as a mini version of it, what we're showing here.
Yeah.
We could really build anything, and you're talking like industries in aerospace, airline industry, government, a lot of different applications where people need to build, for lack of a better term, mezzanines or modular platforms, multi-level platforms.
Yep. Rooftop access.
Rooftop access. So we've got a lot of different options to the point where our U-Design actually has Grainger SKUs associated with the parts where they can build out the modular crossover system.
Yeah.
So it's not necessarily quite custom, but it's a modular option for Grainger to be able to do it rapidly, quickly, and get it delivered to the customer. If there's anything above that, though, we can draw and design any customized platform.
Even more custom applications
absolutely.
with the EAS.
And then I guess the last piece I will just end on is our last acquisition, which was most recent, is dock maintenance. So we have now a nationwide service capability. So when you're talking about anything electromechanical, aerial lifts, lift tables, even ladders, material handling equipment, we now have 275 technicians that are across the country in the United States. So we can be anywhere within 2 hours to where our equipment is or where even our competitors' equipments are. But we've got nationwide service capabilities to help service and support the after sale take care of the customer beyond just the sale, but the lifetime of owning the piece of equipment.
Awesome. There you have it. Ballymore Tri-Arc Lift Products, your newest acquisition. A lot of great new products available, coming soon to Granger. Thank you so much, Steve.
Thank you, James. Appreciate it.